How to create customers email notifications on Squarespace. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can create customers email notification on Squarespace. So the first thing to do is to log in into your Squarespace account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, by the left side of the screen, you will see a menu displaying website, selling, marketing, contact, etc. Click on selling, because that's where we're heading to in this tutorial. So once you click on selling, you'll see another menu. Select selling tools. Once you've selected that, scroll down on the selling tools page until you see customer notifications. So click on it. Once you're on this page, select general orders. General orders is located in the left side menu. So once you click on it, you will take it to the order confirm page. Now on this page, click on edit email. So once you click on it, you'll be redirected to another page. Alright, so on this page you'll be taken to the link, site title, etc. So this is the page that contain where you can edit the image. Alright, you can see that each of this is editable. So yeah, you can just click on this and edit it to what you want. Alright, you can just edit it to what you want by changing it. You can add something else here. You can just edit this the way you want. And then yeah, you have to add an optional custom message based on product type. So you have to add a custom message here. Okay, so once you are done adding all of this, scroll down. Then you can also edit the product's name here, the amount paid. This message that you're editing is the message that your customer will receive after he or she has gotten a product. Okay, this is the email notification mail that the customer will receive. So once you are done editing all of this, just come over to email here, and then for the email preview, click on the arrow pointing to the right. And then if you want the person to receive, that is your customer, to receive the email with his or her full name or first name or site title or other name, you select it. All right, so once you've selected it, you'll be asked to input the person's name here. So after you put in the person's name, just click apply. Now once that is done, you can send tests if you want to test out what you've just done. Okay, and then by the top left corner of the screen, you click on save. So save it, and that is it. That is how you can create customers email notifications on Squarespace. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.